Welcome to Your Hometown Show. I'm your host, Christina Dees. Joining us today, Military Direct Mortgage. Patty White, thanks so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Your motto is serving those who have served.
Right.
Tell us more about your mortgage product services.
So Military Direct Mortgage was formed to help veterans and active military take advantage of their VA home loan benefits. We also help spouses of veterans who maybe lost their lives as a result of their service take advantage of the benefit.
And you have a personal story, which is how you got involved and started working for this company. Can you tell us more about that?
Right. So my husband served, and it was 30 years after he left the service before we even knew about the VA loan product. And I think back to when we bought our first home, if we could have used that savings for something other than a down payment when we were starting our family, it would have been amazing. So to be able to offer this to young families who are buying a home or folks who are refinancing and need to consolidate their debt, it's a terrific loan product and really want to help get the word out.
Well, I can speak from experience because my dad is a veteran and he just went through the VA home loan process. And I think what people don't understand is that it's super easy. So
it is.
How easy is that loan process?
It's really no more difficult than any other loan product. You can call one of our VA loan specialists. We can go online and obtain the certificate of eligibility. So if you have any questions about whether or not you're eligible, give us a call and we can look up through the VA to see whether or not you have your certificate of eligibility, what you're eligible for, and we can take care of the paperwork for you.
And you also have some refinancing options available for those who currently have a mortgage?
Right, so you can do a cash-out refinance to consolidate debt up to 100% of appraised value, and there's really no other loan product that does that. Or if you have a VA loan currently, you can do a streamlined refinance, which is a really quick and easy process. There's no appraisal, no income documents. It can be done in several weeks and you're ready to go.
How long is the actual loan process from start to finish?
It's really no longer, again, than any other product. Depending, the only thing that might delay it is the appraisal, which is the same with any other loan product, but generally within 30 to 45 days you're closing.
And do you have someone local that you work with that works with your clients?
We don't have a local office, but we're available online, and we have a toll-free number, and we have loan specialists licensed in the state who are available to help.
Well, I know a lot of veterans may worry that they don't have good credit coming out of the military. Do you have any credit requirements?
There are some minimum credit requirements, but you can actually have relatively low credit and still get a VA loan. The VA is probably one of the best in terms of their guidelines are very flexible and they allow for some sticky credit situations.
How does the process work working with local realtors?
So when a borrower is purchasing a home, we get in touch with their realtor right away and we let them know some of the nuances of working with a VA loan product. So one example might be that the seller is responsible for doing the termite inspection on a VA purchase. So we make sure the realtor is informed and is really comfortable with the process so they can better serve that borrower.
And if I have already qualified for a VA loan once, would I qualify a second time?
Yes, so the benefits can be used more than once. If you purchase a home, you can refinance with it. If you sell that home, you can buy another home. Even some veterans who have lost their home to foreclosure several years ago may be eligible for second-tier benefits. So it's always worth asking the question, having us go online, pull your certificate of eligibility, and see if you have any remaining entitlement to use.
Great. Well, I love that your website is so user-friendly. You have resources. You also mentioned there could be some grants that we could find out about.
Right. So we had a borrower who actually lost a leg in Afghanistan and bought a home, and he was able to get a grant from the VA to make his bathroom handicap accessible, and it was a grant that doesn't have to be paid back. So there are wonderful resources available, and you can find them on our website under the resources page.
Perfect. Well, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
MilitaryDirectMortgage.com has all the information you might need, and I appreciate you joining us. We'll see you next time.